Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys the combination for your PixelTap daily combo. And as usual, if you actually want to get more allocation on your daily combo, make sure you go over to fight and upgrade your highest level bot, or you can go ahead and upgrade every other of your bot. I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade just this one, and I'm going to spend 7.2 million of this coin, and it's okay for me because it's going to actually give me more allocations. So got it. I'm just going to go ahead and close this and go over to where it says rewards, claim my daily rewards, and then go over to the daily combo, click on play. So watch closely, guys. This is going to be the combination for today's combination. The first one is going to be this one here. The second one is going to be this guy here. The third one would be this. Then finally, the last one is going to be this one here. So I'm just going to go ahead and just check it out and check. Okay, as you can see, we got 100% of our allocation. Go ahead and click on claim, and that will be everything for today's video. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.